In this video, we're going to do a Google Classroom Quick Start. So first of all, just getting to Google Classroom. If you're on our staff portal, we have a Google Classroom link right here, so that's a great place to do it. If you're logged into any of the other Google apps, your Gmail, your Google Drive, you can come to the waffle up here, the 9 boxes, click on this. Sometimes Classroom will be right here, ready to click on, or other times it's down here and you have to click more apps to get there. And then of course you can always just type classroom.google.com, and then I've just typed CLA and it already pre-populated classroom.google.com since I've gone there before. So I'm just going to hit enter. I'm going to launch into my class. So that's here. I already have a couple classes. If you are want to join a class or create a new class, you can come up here and hit the plus button. In this case, this account, I can't create a new class, but you would either get the option to click join or create, and you could type in a class code to join or create a brand new one. This account is already a teacher on this class right here, so I'm just going to open it up and show you some of the basic things here. So first of all, this main page right here, stream, is the main tab at the top. This is just scrolling through a list of basically everything that's ever happened in this. It's like a Facebook feed, a Twitter feed, anything like that. It's just your stream. Students, you'll want to go to this tab pretty much right away, and a couple things I recommend here is on the left, you'll want to go ahead and change this. Most people want students to want to change it so that only teachers can post or comment. If you leave the default, then students can post and comment public things for everybody else in the class to see. So typically teachers want to turn that off. And then this is also where you invite students. So you click on this button here, just start typing the name of your students in, and it will automatically find them. Sometimes you have to do last name, sometimes you have to do first name. You can also paste in if you have a list of them, if you have their email addresses. So that works there. And then on the about page, this is where you can invite other teachers. So I definitely recommend inviting other teachers in your department or grade level or whatever, so that you guys can share assignments and things like that. If we are back here on the stream tab, then one thing to check out is the plus button down here. You can create new assignments, questions, things like that. So new assignment. This is where if you are in other class, if you're a teacher in other classes, you will get this option right here, and it will pop up and allow you to choose other classes. This account only has one class right now, but that's pretty awesome to be able to send out an assignment to all of the classes that you are a teacher on all at once. And then the other thing is, if you click reuse post, if you had other classes that you were a teacher on, you could reuse a previous post from another course. So that is a great option for that. And then the last thing I want to show in this video is the topics over here. So it's pretty neat to be able to add a topic. Just click add topic and put history, and then you've added the topic. And then I can come in and when I'm creating an assignment, I could change the topic to history, and then that would be applied so that people can sort out the topics that way. So that is pretty neat. Overall, yeah, that's the kind of the main things about getting started. I guess I'll show one other thing on the Pancake Stack menu over here. This is where you can sort through all of your classes. But a big thing that people ask me about is to turn off the notifications. So if you hit your Pancake Stack, come down to settings. This is when you can turn this off to turn off all the email notifications. So some people kind of get overwhelmed with all the emails that Google Classroom can send you, or you can customize those individually. So those are a few quick things to get you started with using Google Classroom.